Let's go to Georgia now, where the three men serving life sentences in prison for chasing down and murdering Ahmaud Arbery in 2020 want a judge to grant them a new trial. That judge is taking 2 days to listen to those arguments. Let's bring in CBS News national correspondent Manuel Bojorquez. Manuel, what arguments are being made, and what are they in relation to where that original case is concerned?
Right. Well, these are the attorneys for the three men who were found guilty of murder of killing Ahmaud Arbery back in 2020. The attorney for one of the men is saying that there was a tainted jury that was quote unquote had outside influences, according to this one attorney. He talked about an interview that one of the jurors gave a private investigator, in which he said something to the effect of, "I felt sorry for the family and justice has to be done." So this defense attorney is telling the judge that he believes that that person concealed that he had bias in favor of the Arbery family. So that is the argument being made in court right now, trying to get a new trial for the three men who were found guilty of murdering Ahmaud Arbery.
So we know what the judge's actions are, but any sign of what the judge's response is in any other way to that request?
In the questioning of the attorney who brought up this juror concern, the judge seemed skeptical at this point that it would rise to the level of a potential juror misrepresenting themselves when it comes to the jury selection process, which, of course, in legal terms is called voir dire. So the judge at this point is not making a final ruling, but just the questioning seemed to indicate he didn't think that that was going to be enough. That being said, today is the first of 2 days of hearings about this particular situation. No idea at this point whether the judge will rule from the bench or will take his time to make a ruling.
All right, Manuel Bojorquez, thank you so much for that live report.